Marley goes, nah, you guys go on. Oh, Maggie's right in there. Hey, hey. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I have my eyes on. She is right in there.
Is she full on stopped or is she looking?
Easy.
Find him, Nick. Find him. Where's he at? Get him, Mag. Oh! Fetch him up, Mag! Fetch him up! Find him! Find him! Find him, Mag! Find him!
This is gonna be the death of me. So Maggie's on point, and I have 2 shotgun shells in my gun. Mike, heads up! I'm gonna get so much shit for this. Where's that? Go. Come on. Let's go. Get it. Come on. Where's that? Hunt it. Come on. Where's that? Oh, fucking. I can't see it. Nope. Good girl, Maggie. Come on. I know. He was right there. Come on. I got fucking... Oh, I had another one. Where is it? Find it! Find it! Where's it at? Where's it at? Get it! Maggie, come here! Get it! Get it, Marley! Where's it at? Maggie, Nikki! Oh, it's right. Where's it at? Where's it at? Come here, right here, right here. I ain't got a, you got it? Hold on, there's something else over here then. Get it. Oh, then that might be this one, yeah. Because I got the tail feathers.
Really?
She's chasing it.
Good girl. Good girl. Man, that's pretty though. Man, I was so gonna shoot it again and then like ran into the tree on that. And then you were standing right where.
Yeah, I know. I was like, where did the fuck? I saw a feather. I guess so.
That was crazy.
And when Marley was over there, that's what I saw the feathers, the tail feathers. I was like, where'd it go? You got a shotgun shell? Fucking out?
Oh yeah.
That was my last shot.
What are they? Ounce and quarter fours.
As long as they're 12 gauge.
That'll hold 5, right?
Yeah. They're 12s, right?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yep.
Okay. Fuck.
Alright, let's go.
A shot. Bring it.
Good girl.
Yeah, you go to dad.
Good girl. Come. Come. Good girl.
Yeah, I got one.
Are you saying there should have been more?
Yep.
Well, wait till you hear our story.
Oh.
Yeah, so he tells me, oh, you're the one that lost the coin toss. So I start to squat down the slide. All of a sudden, I'm hearing something flying behind me. He's got his cock out. Misses as it flies twice away. Well, then as I get on this side, I'm like, well, shit, I gotta take a piss. This can't happen twice. So I fucking undo my gun, put it up on my shoulder, and all of a sudden, here comes this rooster flying by. I slam it shut, I get it on my arm, and take a couple shots at it. I think I dropped the leg, but it was...
Oh, coming at you? It's like...
Yeah, coming this way from you guys.
Well, when I was crossing the creek off the road, oh, I was coming down onto the road, going across the ditch, I was fucking with my camera, and I was in the tall featherweed still, and I hear this thing flying by me, and it goes by me, I'm like, oh shit, I unload 4 at it, because I'm so pissed. And then I start reloading my gun, I'm like, oh shit, I don't think I brought enough shells.
Yeah.
I got Mike's shells in my gun right now.
Really?
Yeah. This one that I got it on my last shot, and it was still kind of fidgety. It was still a little runner.
Well, that's interesting, because I saw it like...
It hit the tree.
Oh.
Yeah. I hit it, and then it flew into the tree, fell down. I ran straight to it, because I knew it was my last shot. And freaking,
4 shots?
This one took me 2.
Over here. Me and you can get it.
But I knocked one, or I turned it, but it didn't go down hard at the very beginning. It was flying back towards the beginning. I mean, it might have landed at the front of the draw. I don't know. Yeah, after that very first thing, I reloaded my gun. I was like, oh shit, I did not bring enough shells. I had one extra in my pocket, and then Maggie went on point at one point when I just shot one time, because I thought I only had 2 shells in my gun. I'm like, I got 200 more yards, I got 2 shells left. I was like, fuck.
All right, you got 1?
I should have had like 3.
2? Well, 1.5. Come on, Mag. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Let's go. Oh,
There you go.
there you go.
Had to give him shells back.
Yeah, something like that.
John ran out of shells.
I heard.
Here's my tail feather.
Hey, hey, out, in.
Man, you shoot that?
Had to chase that one down after it hit a tree.
All right, let's go.